Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended permanently in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type run. We can open it. In run window you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage and press enter. In here you just need to find the Epic Games Launcher folder. If you have it then right click and select delete option guys. After deleting the folder, just close stuff here and open up File Explorer and go to this PC. Let's see Program Files x86, and in here you just need to find Epic Games Launcher folder. If you find it, then right click and select delete option. And after doing it, just close stuff here and now you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and select the file on the top and select Run New Task. And in here you just need to checkmark create this task with administrative privileges. Select the browse option over here and navigate to the downloads folder and in programs click on the drop down and select all files, and now you can able to see Epic installer. Select the installer and select open and now select the OK option, and now the installer open up without having any problems. Select the install option and install it guys. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then method to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. In search you just need to type tan Windows switches on or off. Click on tan Windows switches on or off. In here check mark net.net framework 3.5 and .net framework 4.8. After check marking both options, select OK. Select and let Windows Update download the files for you. Request complete. Select close it up here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window type percentage temp percentage and click on OK. Click on any folder and press Ctrl plus A to select all, and then right click and select delete option. Select do this for all current items and select continue. Again check mark this, do this for all current items and select skip. After getting all this done, just to close stuff here. If you have third-party antivirus installed like this Avast, then you just need to uninstall it or disable it temporarily, guys. I'm gonna uninstall it because it's the main cause for the problem. So if you have it, then uninstall it. Any third-party virus you have. After the uninstallation done, select the restart computer option and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed, guys. So don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.